Are you an early investor or active investor? Do you invest in stocks, bonds, fixed deposits, or gold? Nice. But have you ever thought about investing in alternative investments? Due to inflation, potential rate hikes, and other emerging concerns, investors in 2022 are increasingly turning to alternative investments to increase returns, generate income, and provide diversification from traditional assets. Wait. You know what alternative investments are, right? Okay, don't worry. Financial assets that do not fall under the traditional income, cash, or equity categories are known as alternative investments. Example of alternative investments can be lease investing, inventory financing, cryptocurrencies, private equity, commodities, real estate, tangible assets, and so on. Now let's understand the alternative investments better. The addition of alternatives in your portfolio can increase diversity because of their low correlation to the stock or bond market. The impact of market volatility may be less visible since alternative investments are less exposed to the market. Some alternative investments like commodities or real estate can be useful in reducing the risk of inflation. But also another point to consider is that possibility of larger returns and more diversity in alternative investment is proportionate to the risk. You must conduct an in-depth study and due diligence if you are thinking about making an alternative investment. So now you are thinking about how I can invest in alternative investment. So here is the answer. GRIP offers alternative investment options to investors like us, in which you don't have to invest a huge amount of money. You can start investing with the minimum amount of rupees 10,000. So what are you waiting for? Visit gripinvest.in for more information. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on alternative investments. Happy investing, happy gripping.